For the first time ever, Toyota service centers across the UAE are introducing our home vehicle pickup and drop-off service. This video will show you how your vehicle servicing needs can be taken care of from the comfort of your home. Not able to visit our service centers? No problem. Let us come to your home, pick up your vehicle, take it to the nearest Toyota service center, and return it to you after the vehicle servicing has been completed. Just ask for a home pickup and drop-off service when booking your servicing appointment with Toyota. Stay safe and avoid human contact by placing your car keys on your front doorstep when we come to pick up your vehicle. Our trained recovery truck operators will load up your vehicle, ensure it's safely secured, and transport it to the nearest Toyota service center. Upon arrival, they'll offload your vehicle and hand it over to the assigned service advisor, who will arrange for all your vehicle servicing needs. After an initial vehicle inspection, our service advisor will contact you to advise of any additional servicing needs that may be required. Upon completion of your vehicle servicing, the service advisor will contact you to update you on the overall condition of your vehicle, advise you of any future servicing needs, and arrange for a convenient time to return your fully sanitized vehicle to your home. Let Toyota pamper you with our home vehicle pickup and drop-off service and convenient online payment system. Once you've experienced it, you'll appreciate its convenience even more. To schedule your vehicle servicing appointment and home pickup and drop-off service, contact us at toyota.ae or call 800 Toyota.